Hey class 6, welcome back to the maths class once again. So today we are going to start with exercise number 4.3. Okay, so the sum that is given for the number 1, that is factor tree, you have to find that of number 90. Okay, so I'm going to solve the second one for you. So you have to complete the first one, okay, and you are going to follow the method I am going to show you. Okay, so let's get started with the number 2 of sum number 1. Okay, now here 90 is the first number and it is standing in the top or prime position of the tree. Okay, so here we have to find the factor which has the first factor, one factor, that is 45 is already given. So you have to find the second one. So divide 90 by 45. Okay, so we are going to get what? 45 2s are 90. So here 2 is the another factor. Okay, after that we are going to break down 45 into 2 another factor. So 45, here you will divide 45 by 15 once again. So 15 3s are 45. We know that. So here 15 is one factor and 3 is another. Okay. After that, the last branch of it, where we have to break the or split the 15 into 2 factors. So we know that 5 3s are 15. Okay. So this is how we gradually keep on filling the factor tree. Okay. Coming to the sum number 2. Okay. So we have to find the prime factorization of 172 and we are going to follow the division method. Okay. So here 172. What will be its first factor? As 2 is staying in the last digit, so we are going to divide it by 2. So 2 8 is 16 and 2 6 is 12. Once again, we can divide this by 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. And here 43 is a prime number. So as 43 is a prime number, so it will be divided by 1 only. That is also giving 43 itself. Okay. So what are the prime factorization of it? So we are going to do it with the ascending order. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 43. Okay. So now let's take another example, that is sum number 4. That is also will be followed in the similar manner. So 980, we can see that there is a 0 in the last position, so it can be divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. And it's giving 196. Now let's divide this by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so these are the all of these factors that are coming after dividing it up. Okay, so how we are going to write it down? 1 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this is how we are going to represent it. Now coming to the last sum of today, that is sum number 3. Now what has been said out there? Write the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers and express them as the product of primes. Okay, so for that, first what we have to do, we have to take the small and the greatest number of 3 digits. Okay, so first smallest 3-digit number equals to 1. 100, right? And the greatest one, okay. Now what we have to do, we will do it separately and we'll find their factors as a prime. Okay. So first one, that is the 100. So we are going to divide it by 5. There is a 0 in the ending. So 5 2s are 10. Once again by 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So how we can say it? 1 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. Coming to the 999, how we are going to do? There is a 9 at the ending, so 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. We know for the all. Okay. Once again by 3. 111. Now when we are adding this 3 1 together, what we are going to get? 3. So we can understand that it can be divisible by 3 itself. Okay. So when we are dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So here we go. It is divisible by itself. That means it's a prime number. So here what are its factors? 1 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 37. Okay. So this is it for this class. I hope you have understand how to do this kind of sums. So we are going to see each other in the next video. Till then, complete the sums of this exercise and see you in the next class.